Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Acer Swift camera is not working after 25H211 H25H2 get update. So first click to start and type device manager. Open it. Find out the camera. This is camera. Extract, select this, right click and update driver and search update. Okay, and then you can see the already installed. And if guys driver is not installing, you getting the issue, so just right click, property, select driver, and this is driver version, so just copy it for the driver and then open browser. Then on the search only type and hit enter. After that you can see this is camera driver, PC Realtek camera driver, camera driver, camera driver and camera. Okay, then close it. Next method, check enable the camera permissions, so click to start, go to setting, then privacy and setting, then select the camera, scroll down, camera, then if this is turned off, so click to turn on, and also turn on this camera, Microsoft Team Cam on. Now you can see other setting also there. External you can see, you can connect here. This is setting, troubleshooting, and this and then close it. Now reset the camera setting services, so click to start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator, click to yes for administrator access, then type this get hyphen service from server and reset, and then after that hit enter. Okay, so it will come like this, no worry about this, close it. Then click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator. After that find out the camera. Now windows camera, this one. Okay, just double click, automatic start, apply and okay, and then close it. Next, repair the camera systems, click to start, go to setting, click to app, install app. So this is a camera, click on three dot to advanced options, scroll down, reset, reset, then click to repair and then click to terminate, then close it. Then you can guys open this and go to any websites to download. Okay, download any and install. Then next very important method, click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this four command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that try next command, so it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth, so one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.